Django, how to make multiple annotate in a single query set. I am currently trying to annotate two different number of likes to a user model in Django. Here's the code I'm using to return the desired query set. However, the query set returns, Bob, Miller, 612,072, 612,072. As you can see, Django takes the two annotate values and multiply them together, and that's why I'm getting 612,072. Is there a way to call multiple annotate in a single query set without getting these multiplied values? Edit also tried to add distinct at the end of the query or distinct equals true in each count, but the call simply gets into an infinite loop.
This is how Django annotate produce equal code. It's do all necessary joins and then group by over all user fields, aggregating with annotation function count in your case. So, it joins users with all their guide likes and then with all news likes and then simply counts number of rows produced per user. If you can, you should use raw query sets or extra query set method. E.g. For more flexibility, you can use select_params parameter of extra method for providing names of tables, which you can get through model._meta. By the way, this is very inconvenient and hackish method. Sooner or later your logic become more complicated, and then you should remove it from Python code to SQL stored functions / procedures and raw queries.
If you want to see more, press on here subscribing.